Hi guys, welcome back to SWEP. I'm Ivan, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to publish a report on Microsoft's Power BI service. If you're not familiar with Power BI, then you should know that it's a tool that is more than capable of transforming all of those raw numbers from your BIM reports into interactive, vibrant dashboards. By combining them with SWEP, you can tailor them to the unique demands of each project, providing real-time data on everything from resource allocation to project timelines. Now, what sets Power BI apart is its user-friendly interface, making data analytics accessible to everyone in your organization, not just the tech experts. This democratization of data ensures that all stakeholders, irrespective of their technical know-how, can access and understand information they need to make informed decisions. On top of that, Power BI is a cloud-based tool, which means that whether you're in the office or at the construction site, you're constantly in the loop and connected to the latest project developments. So let's get into how we can actually publish a report from Power BI Desktop to Power BI Service and share it. First, make sure that you are actually logged into Power BI, as you can't use the publishing or sharing services unless you have an account. Now, once you've created your dashboard template with SWEP, then you can open it up in Power BI. If you want to know how to go about doing that, then I'll drop a link into the description below for one of our tutorials. To open it, click on File in the top left corner and then click on Browse. Change the file type to PBIT, so it'll show all of the template files you have available. Then select the file and click on Open. A pop-up will appear, and then you just need to click on the Load button to start the process of loading all of your data into Power BI. In order for us to be able to work on the file, we first need to save it in the PBIX format. So click on a file, then click on Save As. Then enter a name for your project, making sure that it's being saved as a Power BI file or PBIX, not as a PBIT file type. Now click on Save. Now let me show you how to publish your report into Power BI service. At the top here, you'll see the Publish button. Click on that, and then you can choose which destination you would like to use. Now, I would just like to mention that you can have many different workspaces here. I find the best way to keep things in order is to create one workspace per client, and then each team member can keep all of their reports, dashboards, and data sets within that given workspace. This will mean that anyone who has access to the final report once it's published will easily be able to access the BIM data contained within the entire workspace. So let's choose my workspace and then click on Select. Then you'll see a pop-up while it publishes the dashboard to Power BI. Once it's published, then you'll see the name of your report as a link right here in the pop-up. And this should match the file type that you already have open. Now click on that link to open the dashboard in Power BI Service, and it will open in your default browser. And you'll see that all the information that was in the dashboard is now readily available and it's interactive. And that's how easy it is. So that's all from me today. Please take a look at our channel and check out some of the other tutorials on Power BI and SWEP. And don't forget to head over to our website and sign up with us for our freemium plan to see what SWEP can do for you. I'll drop a link in the description below. Until next time, bye!